Hello, we are here on board the Queen Elizabeth II, the luxury liner, the luxury cruise ship, which is docked at Port Rashid, Dubai, UAE, and it's now a hotel. As you can see, this is the Queen Elizabeth II entrance lobby. Queen Elizabeth II. I will show you around if you want to see what's inside this hotel and how it looks like this once upon a time very popular luxury ship, Queen Elizabeth II. Ayan, as you can see, this is the lobby. Go around the lobby. Queen Elizabeth II. Queen Elizabeth II. The lobby itself is shaped like a boat also.